Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Ali Hassan, Senior Lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. I hope that student you are well. Today I will discuss about MCQ of inverse trigonometric function. It's very important for your examination. So let's go student, look at the board. Here first question, what is the value of sine tan inverse of plus cot inverse of? So student, look at the board. Sine tan inverse 1 by 2 plus cot inverse 3. So shortcut method student, here sine tan inverse half plus, we know that cot inverse 3 means tan inverse 1 by 3. Now using formula, here tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Student, we know that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Now here sine tan inverse, here LCM is 5 by 6 and denominator 5 by 6. 5 by 6, 5 by 6 cancel. Now we get tan inverse 1. We know that tan inverse 1 equals to tan pi by 4. 1 equals to tan pi by 4. Student, here 1 equals to tan pi by 4. Tan inverse cancel. Now we get sine pi by 4. We know that sine pi by 4 equals to 1 by root 2. We know that student, calculator, using calculator, sine 45 degree or sine pi by 4 equals to 1 by root 2. So result will be 1 by root 2. Correct answer C number. So student, here result will be 1 by root 2. I hope that student you are well. Student, question number 2. So sine inverse 1 by 3 plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. Then find the value of x. So student, memorize it. We know that you have learned formula sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. Student, here memorize it. Sine inverse formula, sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. This is formula. You have learned, student, formula is sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. So here sine inverse angle x and this angle are equal. So according to question, sine inverse, student, look at the board, attention please. Sine inverse 1 by 3 plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. So comparing two equation, student, comparing two equation, here sine inverse 1 by 3, this angle and this angle are equal. So we have x equals to 1 by 3. So student, answer will be 1 by 3. It is very shortcut method. So answer will be 1 by 3. So student, here answer is 1 by 3. Now student, memorize it. Formula you have learned, sine inverse x plus cos inverse x pi by 2. You have learned previous classes, formula sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. So here angle x, this angle and this angle are equal, so equals to pi by 2. Here 1 by 3 and cos inverse x, this angle and this angle are equal, so x equals to 1 by 3. It is very simple question. So answer will be 1 by 3. Now student, next question, question number 3. Find the sine tan inverse 1 by x square by 2x plus cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square equals to what? Here answer 1, minus 1, 0 and 2. So student, we know that you have learned previous classes tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. Now formula, student, formula, memorize it. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. Student, here tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. Here angle x and angle x are equal. So this is memorize it. Now according to question, student, here sine tan inverse 1 minus x square by 2x plus cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Now student, here you have learned formula 2 tan inverse x equals to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. But here tan inverse x, let us consider tan inverse x and cot inverse x equals to pi by 2 using this formula. So here sine pi by 2 minus cot inverse 1 minus x square by twice x plus, and using formula, this formula cos inverse x, this formula, student attention please, cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square equals to 2 tan inverse x. So here 2 tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse x. So student, look at the board. Here tan inverse 1 minus x square by 2x, this angle is x. So tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. So here tan inverse x equals to pi by 2 minus cot inverse x. Now using formula tan inverse x 1 minus x square by 2x, we can write pi by 2 minus cot inverse 1 minus x square by twice x. Then we have sine pi by 2 minus tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square, tan inverse x. Now student, here cot inverse, then convert to tan inverse, so reciprocal or inverted. Now we have sine pi by 2 minus, then using formula, you have learned student 2 tan inverse x equals to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. So using formula, tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square is 2 tan inverse x, then plus 2 tan inverse x. So tan inverse 2 tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse is cancelled. Then we get sine pi by 2. We know that sine pi by 2, sine 90 degree equals to 1. So answer will be, student, answer will be A is 1. I hope that student you are clear. Student, question number 4. Look at the board. Find the value of sine square cos inverse 1 by root 3. Find the value of sine square cos inverse 1 by root 3. Now student, here sine square cos inverse 1 by root 3. We know that, student, we know that sine square theta, here considering cos inverse 1 by root 3 is theta. So we know that sine square theta equals to 1 minus sine square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Here theta is cos inverse 1 by root 3. Here theta is cos inverse 1 by root 3. We know that, student, sine square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Then we can write 1 minus cos square theta, then we have cos theta whole square. We can write cos square theta equals to cos theta whole square. So cos inverse cancel. So 1 by root 3 whole square. Now 1 minus 1 by 3. So student, here LCM, now we get 2 by 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So result will be 2 by 3. So student, here result will be 2 by 3. I hope that student you are clear. Student, question number 5. The value of tan square sec inverse 2 plus cot square cosec inverse 3. Now we have tan square, according to question, tan square sec inverse 2 plus cot square cosec inverse 3. What is the value? So student, we know that tan square theta equals to sec square theta minus 1. You have learned main formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. This is formula. Now we have tan square theta equals to, student, tan square theta equals to sec square theta minus 1. This is formula. Now using formula, tan square theta equals to sec square theta minus 1. Now here student, here this is theta. So tan square theta equals to sec square theta. Theta means sec inverse 2 minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1. Similarly, we know that cosec square theta, main formula, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. So we have cot square theta equals to cosec square theta minus 1. So using formula, cot square theta equals to, we know that cot square theta equals to cosec square theta minus 1. Now using formula, cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. Theta means cosec inverse 3. Theta means cosec inverse 3 minus 1. So student, we know that sec square theta and sec theta whole square are same. So result will be 2 square minus 1 plus cosec square theta and cosec theta whole square. So 3 square minus 1. So result will be 11, because 4 plus 9, 13 minus 2 equals to 11. So answer will be 11. I hope that student you are clear. Next question, question number 6. The value of sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse half. So according to question, sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus half. Now student, look at the board. Here sine pi by 3 minus, take it to the first position of minus. Sine minus theta equals to minus sine theta. So take it to the first position of minus. So minus minus plus. So student, sine inverse half. We know that sine half equals to sine inverse half equals sine pi by 3 plus sine inverse half is sine pi by 6. We know that sine 30 degree or sine pi by 6 equals to half. So sine and sine inverse cancel. Then we get sine pi by 3 plus sine inverse cancel. Then we can write pi by 6. Now we have sine, here LCM is 6. 2 pi plus pi is 3 pi. 3 and 6 is cancel. Now we have sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 we know that sine pi by 2 equals to 1. So result will be 1. So answer will be 1. So student, I hope that you are clear. So student, question number 7. If tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to 4 pi by 5, find the value of cot inverse x plus cot inverse y. Find the value of cot inverse x plus cot inverse y equals to what? So we know that student, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to y. Now we know that tan inverse x, this is formula, plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. Now using formula, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. Here x, this angle and this angle are equal, so value of this is pi by 2. Now using formula, so according to question, student, here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to 4 pi by 5. Now using formula, here tan inverse x, take it to the right side, so pi by 2 minus, here tan inverse x equals to pi by 2 minus cot inverse x. This is using formula. So tan inverse x equals to pi by 2 minus cot inverse x and plus tan inverse y equals to pi by 2 minus cot inverse y, and right side is 4 pi by 5. Attention please student, using formula tan inverse x, here tan inverse x equals to pi by 2 minus cot inverse x and tan inverse y equals to pi by 2 minus cot inverse y, using this formula. Then we get here pi by 2 plus pi by 2 equals to pi minus cot inverse x minus cot inverse y equals to 4 pi by 5. Now here take it to the left side, or pi minus 4 pi by 5 equals to cot inverse x plus cot inverse y, or LCM 5 pi minus pi, so pi by 5 equals to cot inverse x plus cot inverse y. So student, here result will be cot inverse x plus cot inverse x plus cot inverse y. Result will be cot inverse x plus cot inverse y equals to pi by 5. Now here result A, pi by 5. I hope that student you are clear. So student, memorize it. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. This is formula. And question number 8. What is the value of cot sine inverse of? Now according to question, cot sine inverse half. Now student, let sine inverse half equals to theta. So half equals to sine theta. Now let ABC right angle triangle, here theta. So we know that sine theta equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Student, here we know that sine theta equals to perpendicular, here perpendicular is 1 and hypotenuse is 2. Then find the length of base BC. So we know that BC equals to root over hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square equals to 4 minus 1 equals to root 3. So BC equals to root over 3. Now student, here cot inverse, cot theta equals to base by perpendicular. Here base is root 3 by 1. So cot inverse cancel. So answer will be root 3. So student, answer will be root 3. I hope that student you are clear. So student, Question number 9. Look at the board. If cos inverse 2 sin inverse 3x by 2 plus cos inverse 3x by 2 equals to p, then find the value of p. So according to question, cos 2 sin inverse 3x by 2 plus cos inverse 3x by 2 equals to p. Now student, you know sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. Formula, student, look at the board. Here sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. This angle and this angle are equal. So student, you know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. Now here attention please student, here 3x by 2 and 3x by 2, this angle and this angle are equal. So sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. Then we can write here cos 2, here cos 2 sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2 using this formula. So student, here 2 to cancel, or cos pi, we know that cos pi equals to cos 180 degree. Student, using calculator, cos pi equals to -1. So value of p equals to -1. So result will be -1. C number. I hope that student you are clear. So see you again next class.